What's going on, guys? Phil here from the Sydney Trains Vlogs channel. I'm here at Hawkesbury River in request for Cap Tiger. I just got off this Oscar here. It is a Newcastle service. It'll be stopping all stations to Newcastle from here. It's an 8-car Oscar. The rear half is Oscar H54, the second newest Oscar. Oscars go up to H55. Anyway, I'll give you a quick, a slow pan of the area. It's nice, lots of water. Curved platform, very nice. Pole. Car park. Hawkesbury River Marina, some boats. Some more water. And just randomly show you the station sign. Trains don't run through here too often, but I will make the vlog as long as I can. It probably will be a normal vlog length. VSET Central Sydney Terminal service passing Hawkesbury River. Able to see it come out the other end there. As you can probably tell there's some old tracks that look like they were sidings. I'm not sure if they're still used or not. There's still power lines there, so it's a possibility. No, I'm not too sure. I'm up on the bridge at the moment. Let's have a quick look up here. If my voice sounds a little bit clearer than normal, it's because I'm using the microphone on my earphones to talk, because I noticed my voice wasn't so clear since I changed over to my iPhone 5. Really nice area. You got a wharf down there. It's really peaceful, like Wonderbine. Got some freight coming. Looks like possibly 3 NR classes. I'll tell you if they're not. NR 112, NR 91 and NR 80. That one was longer than I expected. VSET passing platform number 2. Rear half is V50 with New South Wales Trainlink livery. By the looks of things, V50's just entered service with the new livery, just like V37 I saw today. Anyway, guys, sorry I only got like I think 3 or 4 trains in this vlog. They don't come so often. Anyway, I'll wrap the vlog up. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you very, very much for watching. I'll see you in the next vlog. Goodbye for now.